Hi everyone, sharing my whole wheat chocolate cupcakes recipe which my kid absolutely loves and it gets over in no time in my house. It has no maida, no curd and no vinegar, and yet it tastes amazing and it is very super soft in texture. In a bowl, take 3/4 cup condensed milk. To this add 1/4 cup oil or you can use melted butter and give it a really good mix. Now we'll sieve the dry ingredients. So I'm taking 1 cup गेहूं का आटा, whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and we're going to sieve this. To start with, we are going to mix it as it is and then gradually we will add milk or water. I am using water here. Approximately half cup to 1/3 cup water will be used here and the consistency should be free flowing. To make it more delicious and nutritious, I am adding 2 tablespoons of almond powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and 2 tablespoons of chopped dark chocolate. Now we are going to pour this batter up to 3/4 level into the cupcakes mold, and you can also make a simple cake out of this batter. Garnish it with kajus cut into half. You can use dark chocolate chips or even almond pieces. Bake these cupcakes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 25 to 30 minutes. These whole wheat cupcakes are very soft and a must try. Don't forget to like this recipe and share it with your friends.